Hi, my name is James Harrison and I work for Surrey Arts. We offer a wide variety of instrumental lessons at your school, but today I want to talk to you about guitar lessons and what you could expect if you took up guitar lessons at school. Let's listen to 3 different ways to play the guitar and hopefully inspire you to want to take up lessons at school. Let's start by listening to the classical guitar.
Hello, my name is Daniel Bill. I'm a guitar teacher at Surrey Arts. I'm going to demonstrate to you the sound of the classical guitar with an excerpt from a piece by Taddeo written in 1902, and in this piece there are 4 bars which was featured as a famous ringtone. See if you can spot the ringtone.
Now let's listen to the acoustic guitar. Now let's take a listen to the electric guitar. Okay, there we go. We've had a listen to the classical guitar, we've taken a listen to the acoustic guitar, and we finished with the sound of the electric guitar. The world of guitar is hugely diverse, so we've by no means covered everything in this short video, so please get out and explore some more. If you are interested in taking up lessons at school, then please ask for more information at the school office. We also have lots more videos on our YouTube channel for Surrey Arts. I hope you feel inspired, and I hope to see you in a guitar lesson soon. Thank you.